It is more than what seems to be the case, and it's always about human control and often increasingly destroying human health. The woodpecker signal came about, I think it was in the 1970s, came to light, and it was a signal that the Soviet Union was broadcasting into America, and they called it the woodpecker signal because it was going rat-a-tat-tat, like a woodpecker. And what it was doing was delivering subliminal information into America to affect the perceptions of Americans. And these two guys, Dr. Robert Beck, an expert in nuclear engineering, and Dr. Michael Pessinger of the Laurentian University in Canada, an expert in extremely low-frequency radiation, they made a study of the potential of electromagnetic mind control. This is what the smart meters are, electromagnetic mind control. Dr. Beck told a Psychotronics Association conference in 1979, that long ago, that human subjects exposed to certain ELF field patterns reported sensations of uneasiness, depression, and foreboding. He said that he had measured the Russian woodpecker signal and found that it was acting like gangbusters right in the window of human psychoactivity. Exactly. Get in there by going on the same frequency the bloody brain works on. Now here's the point. He said the signal was, the woodpecker signal was permeating power grids in the United States. It was being picked up by power lines, re-radiated, and it was coming into homes on the light circuits. Now that was doing that in a light circuit electrical system that was not purpose-built for the job. The smart meters and the smart grids are purpose-built deliverers of subliminal information into every home and business that is involved in them. If we don't say no to this, then might as well put our bloody hands out and get the shackles on. Come on, enough! And all the things these bloody lights